Hi, I'm Scott Shearer, and I'd like to tell you about two workshops I'll be doing at SharePoint Fest DC. I'll be doing a full-day workshop on Monday called the SharePoint Automation Bootcamp, and a half-day workshop on Tuesday called the Site Collection Administrator Bootcamp. Who am I? I'm a MCT or Microsoft Certified Trainer, Microsoft Office 2016 Specialist Master, and I've done a lot of other things as well. I started out life in the financial industry. I was a CPA and a number of other things. And I started actively using SharePoint when SharePoint 2007 was first released, and I've been in the IT industry for over 20 years now. The SharePoint Automation Bootcamp is designed for people who want to do SharePoint workflows and flow and have never done them before. We are going to approach this from the ground up. We're going to start at square one, and in the morning we're going to go through designer workflows. We are going to show you the environment, how you create basic workflows, and gradually work our way up to doing some more advanced workflows by around lunchtime. In the afternoon, it's going to be all about flow. We will start by looking at what flow is. It's not just a SharePoint tool. We will start by using some of the flow templates. Then we will start building flows from scratch. A really exciting feature of flow are the approvals. You've got to see the approvals, and we're going to do quite a few approvals and show you how to do an escalation with flow approvals. Then we'll talk about pricing, flow administration, and all things flow. So once again, if you want to do automation, be it designer workflows or flow in SharePoint, you probably will want to attend this session if you are new to doing that type of thing. On Tuesday, I'll be doing a half-day workshop called the Site Collection Administrator Bootcamp. This is designed for those individuals who have been handed a site collection or a site, and you need to manage it. You could be an SCA or a Site Collection Administrator or a site owner. This session will be applicable to both of those. And we are going to go through everything you need to know to effectively manage a SharePoint site collection, once again from the ground up. We'll talk about user adoption, a little about governance. We'll do quite a bit on SharePoint security. I'll show you how to manage a SharePoint site and keep security simple. We'll talk about some of the mechanics of SharePoint, how to create a list, configure list. We'll look at some additional features such as column level validation and list level validation. Content types are a great concept and extremely underused. So we're going to go into quite a bit about content types. We will show you basic SharePoint workflows. We will key in on some of the out-of-the-box workflows that are included with the product, but don't get the love and attention that they deserve. So if you are new to being a site collection administrator, someone who runs a SharePoint site, this session might benefit you. If you have questions between now and the conference, please email me at scott@o365scott.com. Follow me on Twitter. I'll probably be tweeting out some ideas that I'll be presenting in my sessions. And if you haven't registered yet for the conference, please do so. Use the code ShareRDC100 to save $100. Hope to see you in DC.